So g'day, this is Glenn, and in today's video we're going to be talking about cities and towns of Australia. And in this video we're doing Central Victoria because there's quite a lot of major towns that a lot of people don't know how to pronounce. Like the first one, people pronounce it Melbourne. Melbourne. Do we actually pronounce it like that? No, that's why I've got it in brackets. You just say Melbourne. So you get rid of all that, all the vowels, all the consonants. Pretty much you're left with N. So it's Melbourne. Okay, Melbourne. Okay, Geelong, referring to Melbourne. Or you could call it Melbourne. You know, it does get a bit boring, especially over in the east, which is just flat. You go to Sylvan Reservoir, it's beautiful, nice, beautiful, attractive up there. But going from the city centre all the way over to the Dandenongs, you can just, maybe they should just take a bulldozer, just go over and restart again. Now, that area is Melbourne. Then we have Geelong. Geelong, I have to say I don't really like that place. It does have a few things that are very interesting, but I've just never been interested in that place. The geology is very good there. Go there. So in that one, G. So let's break it up. And put a whole line through it, because you've got two syllables. G, long. So long as in to be long, and G is as in gee whiz. Gee whiz. That place is so long to go to. Beautiful. Then we got Bacchus Marsh. So I think this is an indigenous word, probably Wurundjeri. We say most of it. It's pretty much classed as a suburb of Melbourne, but it's a little bit distinct. It's separated by bloody farmland. Okay, so we just say Bacchus. So B-A-K, Bacchus. So it's two syllables. Bacchus. We don't say Bacchus, hus, or Bacchus. So that's a K. And marsh, as in marsh. So it's back at a marsh. Okay, then we've got Daylesford, Bendigo. Okay, so the rest of the names we have Daylesford. This is a very nice place to go to. You can actually get mineral springs here that taste like it's come out of your ass. But it's a very nice place to visit. If you ever come to Victoria or Melbourne, go to Daylesford. Really, you won't regret it. Then we have Bendigo. Bendigo. And I think that's a swear word in Spanish. Bendigo. Or Bendigo, Hendigo. I don't know. They used to say it at work all the time. Hey, Bendigo. And this is very nice place. It has lots of forest around it. It is one of the major gold diggings as well as Ballarat. Ballarat. So these three here, we don't simplify. No idea why. You can call it Bella, Bendy, if you want to make a simplification. Maybe they do have a simplification in the actual towns themselves. And Ballarat, I probably might simplify it, Bello. But in Melbourne, I haven't heard anyone say it. And my cousins used to live in Ballarat, so I used to go here a lot, and they never say anything about that. Anyway, so this one's a nice place to go to, Bendigo. This one's a whole Ballarat. Got Lake Wendouree around there. 2009, that was like it's like a paddock. You could just walk all the way across it. It's pretty shallow. I think it's like most of the time it's waist deep. I think in the centre it might get the head deep, but I don't think so. But it is nice around Lake Windermere. Most of the other place is, not that good. But you do have Sovereign Hill if you like history, Victorian history. You got Eureka Stockade, never been to there, but they're good places to go to. Bendigo, they have a large museum of Chinese history, and a lot of the Chinese that did remain in Australia from the gold rush in the 1850s, they've been here for at least 150 years, the Chinese. A lot of them are deported with the White Australia policy, along with anyone else who wasn't white. That's why they call it a White Australia policy. But they got rid of that pretty much 1975 when they had to let in all the Vietnamese, or the South Vietnamese refugees, especially those who fought in the South Vietnamese army. Okay. Then the last that we have Seymour. So you don't say moor, say moor, moor. Okay, say Seymour. I see a sea by the seashore. There you go. Then you row are. You row? Do you row? I don't know. So Shepparton e Chuka. Okay. So you rower. That's most likely an indigenous word, but I don't remember what language it is. Bunurong or something like that. Then you got Shepparton. So shepherd's pie, Shepparton. This had the recent COVID outbreak in the town, but it got over that. Unlike where I am now, so this is lockdown. Then we have Echuca. E for internet. Chew car. I chew the car. Basically, that's what that might mean. Anyway, let's have a look and see where I'm talking about. So here's a map of Victoria. These are all the places. So what names that we learnt just then are in the North Central region, the Central region, and the Southern Central region. Okay, so this is classed as central, but this is more like central. And then in the other videos, I'll do the west, which includes the Mallee, Wimmera, southwest, and the east, which includes the northeast, East Gippsland, and southwest Gippsland. Anyway, thank you very much. And I forgot to say one faggy, which I'll include in Gippsland, and have an awesome time. So let me know what you think down below, and take care.